What's up? We're back. Yeah. Jerking off.
Aibo. Kanje?
Yeah.
Kanje?
Oh, okay. Every time I see a hand doing this, muscle memory.
Awuhleki amabele intamo will choke me back like a dog. Like make it.
We're back. Me and my friend.
In your man, in your face.
Not in anyone's man. I don't do that kind of stuff. But yeah, we're gonna be reacting to FendiDa Rappa.
Not inclusive. Okay.
We're gonna be rapping. We're gonna be reacting to FendiDa Rappa. Point me to
With Cardi B.
with Cardi with body.
Did you see that Netflix thing where they're doing like a female hip hop evolution thing, like documentary, and Nicki's not in it.
Wait, who's on it?
Missy Elliott. Was it Missy Elliott?
Okay, Miss
the
Elliott
big
is
girl.
fine.
The big girl. Queen Latifah.
Queen Latifah's fine.
Those ones,
I
those
thought
ones.
Queen Latifah would be number 2.
And then, I think Cardi B's in it. Some of the new girls are in
Wait,
it.
Cardi B is in it. Nicki Minaj is not in
Yeah,
it.
Nicki's not in it.
Shout out to my nigga Cardi.
Yeah, Nicki's not. I was like, what?
Okay, yeah, I just had to do that.
But
Sorry.
in any case,
But yeah,
in any
wait,
case-
Nicki Minaj is not in it.
No, she's not there. She's not there.
What the fuck? Do they think that the rap music stopped between 2008 and 20?
I think people really
18.
don't like Nicki. That's
Yeah.
another thing.
Yeah, but she's so much better than the other girls, so y'all can
That's
hate all
true.
you want. She's so much better than all of you
That is
niggas.
true. Anyway, yeah, I see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. Send kisses, send money.
And tell us who's the GOAT female MC. I bet it's...
Yeah.
If it's not Nicki, I don't want to hear it.
Yes.
Y'all ain't having no nerve.
Okay.
Let's go.
Show me up. Oh, yeah. This place is off the hook.
Yes.
So these girls are shopping for girls or what?
I think they're lesbian.
First off, I can't even see like a face that I like.
Oh, come on.
A lot of thighs, but okay.
No, okay. She's fine.
She's okay, yeah.
She's fine.
She
I don't
seems
know why
okay.
she's at the... She's
She's at the end. It's because of the thighs. Bancamela ukubeka lo tattoo ezinqeni. Nkosi yami.
Oh, a nice tattoo.
Hey. Tramp stamp.
We've never seen that before.
But in any case, yeah, let's go.
It's like rush hour.
Just follow
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
lead, gang. I'm gonna point you to the slush. You ready?
To the sluts.
Let's
I
go.
want that.
You guys, she wrong.
My neck.
Hey.
No, not with that face. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but she rubbed on her tits, so
What?
that has to count for something.
Slush, you ready?
Which one?
Let's
I
go.
want that.
You guys, she wrong.
My neck.
Hey.
That all that it hurt. I take that.
Hey. Okay,
You
no.
greedy
big
though.
feet,
How many
I
more
can
you
tell.
want?
She has big feet, you can tell.
I can tell.
Hey, come on, let's go.
Good night.
I'm getting some jet like this.
Jordan,
Oh, that's the girl that's rapping.
Man, niggas tweaking with these fake ass
guess.
pills.
Such a big ass voice. What in the Glorilla is going on?
Yeah.
Look, he off a pill, niggas ill. Is it even real? He
I did not expect that beat. I did not expect that beat. Ha 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 ha. That is the last thing I expected.
Jordan, is that you?
Man, niggas tweaking with these fake ass pills. Look, he off a pill,
You can't
niggas
even
ill.
hear. Like, where are these drums coming from? How did you get here?
Is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets. Do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they.
Oh, now I must kill to date you.
Here's a what? With no bullets?
Glizzy.
A glizzy
I
with
guess
no
it's a
bullet.
gun.
He cannot even kill.
So you must be a murderer to date these girls.
Wait, isn't she lesbian? Didn't they say she was lesbian? Oh,
Hey, man.
she came out at the beginning of the video. Or that was just a skit.
Oh no, guess she smells, sometimes she smells like lipstick, sometimes she smells like dick.
Hey, are you a thrower or a pitcher? Make up your mind.
They rap.
One man show.
Should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap. Should we give them deals?
Wait, are female rappers supposed to have girls twerking in their videos?
I've never understood that.
Can't you have niggas...
Doing this to you
Yeah,
while you're rapping.
Like you can have niggas...
Try humping while you're rapping.
Yeah, like...
I'm joking.
Or shaking
But yeah,
dick
try
or
something new.
Like, get niggas to shake dick or something. I'll volunteer for that shit.
Nah, I'm not your friend.
He out for pill, niggas ill. Is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets. Do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they rap. Should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap. Should we give them deals? All that rah-rah when I'm talking, they don't hit me though. Play this shit back, make them sit back, cause we in this hole. Turn me up, I'm trying to fuck. Point me to the sluts. What? That nigga tough, he out of luck. For them.
Do you want guys or do you want sluts? I'm so confused right now.
I think she...
Swings both ways.
Yeah.
Swallow, cum, and squirt.
Choice assorted. Jesus Christ.
Gave him up. Fuck, she got some bombs.
can
Make
get
me
in
come.
one
This
house,
bitch finna
can get her
run. I
back.
got a thumb. She can't take it, bitch. That made me numb. Her pussy nuking. He a goofy. She got goofy pussy. Her shit tastes good with no smell. She got a fruity pussy. I can't.
How do you know as a, like, don't get me wrong, I'm just asking from a point of ignorance, clearly. How do you know as a female whether the other chick's pussy is nonsense? Like, what are you basing this off of?
How do you know yours is not... How do you
What's in the
know?
karaoke? It's like, this girl was like, you're not turning me on. Just like, girl, my boy told me your pussy's trash.
Can't wait, I'm trying to fact. Take me to the back. We hit a rap. Where you at? We got Uchi sound. And all the guys in here ready. What a hoochie's at. In my city, we get lit. That's what a movie's at. And you can't come up in this bitch with all that goofy shit. And you can't.
This thing has been overused now. That effect where you stand on that false floor and they record from
The
underneath.
glass. Yeah.
And come up in my city, think you moving shit. You can't be acting like you with it, that's that stupid shit. What? And you can't tweak up off them pills, cause we gon' do you, bitch. He out for pill, niggas ill, is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets.
The track may have just been in a cappella. It would have the same effect.
Do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they rap, should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap, should we give them deals? What? He out for pill, niggas ill, is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets, do he even kill?
What is real? Is it even real? What does that mean?
What do I?
What is she referring for? What is she referring to?
Call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap, should we give them deals? What? He out for pill, niggas ill, is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets, do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they rap, should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap, should we give them deals?
Bitches talking all that rah-rah, I don't feel it though. Like the plan B didn't work, baby, I'm in this hole. This bitch already and she ready, oh she tryna fuck. He think he handsome, it's a ransom, we done line him up. She got some buns, touch your thumb, oh I'm tryna come. I'm in the strippy with a blicky and a lot of ones. My name is always in that mouth, I got that juicy pussy. LV, loose vagina, she got Louis pussy. Ain't gonna lie, her shit is fat, hit it from the back. She playing.
I don't get what anyone says. That's Cardi's ass. I know that ass.
I'd never understand why girls talk about each other like that. Like, I've never heard guys diss each other like, your dick game is trash or some dumb shit like that. But I guess with females, it's open game. Can say whatever, it's fine.
He think he handsome, it's a ransom, we done line him up. She got some buns, touch your thumb, oh I'm tryna come. I'm in the strippy with a blicky and a lot of ones. My name is always in that mouth, I got that juicy pussy. LV, loose vagina, she got Louis pussy. Ain't gonna lie, her shit is fat, hit it from the back. She playing rap, she throwing cat in that Uber black. One of my bitches like Kalani, one look like Normani. Me and my nigga bottle flippin', we like tipping tiny.
Fendi, show your ass too. Let's see what you're working with, darling.
This Blizo's in the club, then you know where to find me. All my diamonds Celiani, these shit's hella shiny. I'm making cash, you shaking ass, I'm really moving shit. I'm really eating bitches up, I'm out here chewing shit. Too many bitches in my city.
Cardi B doesn't get a lot of recognition for her verses.
And Cardi B is very good.
Like, she brings a different energy to tracks.
That's what I don't like when it comes to Nicki fans, because Nicki fans have this hate towards her, then they make her seem insignificant. Yes, I will admit she hasn't sold as much, she hasn't been there as long, she doesn't have more bigger songs. But a Cardi feature is an asset.
Dude, look at...
Cardi B verse is an asset.
Look at what she did with Glorilla. That song is just very good. Like, that song is very good.
Cardi B...
Like, and mind you, Cardi B actually she she allows people who want to feature her to work with her. Like she allows.
She's very open to
I've
features.
never heard of Fendi the rapper. I've never.
Yeah, she we can say she put a lot of people
If
on.
I saw like
She put a lot of people on.
a Fendi the rapper thumbnail before now, I was gonna be like, who's that little school girl? But now I'm like, okay, it's Fendi the rapper.
Yeah.
The name is gonna, the face and the look is gonna
Like,
stand out a little bit.
Cardi B has
But dog,
years
Cardi
from
B
now,
is
years
just-
from now, she'll definitely get her recognition for always being open to the younger generation.
That's why people look at her as the GOAT and not Nicki. Mind
Yeah.
you, she just made like what, 2 albums? How many albums
don't
does she
know.
have? It's Invasion of Privacy and I think there's another
She probably
one.
has 3 or something. Or
No,
2 by now.
she has tapes, but I mean like an album.
probably-
I think
yeah.
she has 2 maybe. But yeah.
No, I
Cardi-
think the first one was the one with Bodak Yellow. Then the second one was the one with a Grammy.
Wasn't that a tape? The one
Okay,
with the,
whatever.
the one with the Grammy, it's
It's an
Invasion of
album.
Privacy.
Yeah, and then I think there's another one after that.
But yeah, like Cardi B, like shout out to Cardi B. Cardi B is great. I don't
The
get
problem
the,
with her is that she's not as crossover as a Nicki Minaj.
yeah, it's
Because Nicki
because
has more crossover songs. Like,
yeah, she can.
Starships and
Nicki
type of shit.
can do pop.
yeah.
I don't think Cardi can sing. I highly
But
doubt
at least she
can.
brings that crossover to that Spanish type of music thing. See if she could do that. She'd be better.
Think they doing shit. Too many ops that I don't know, bitch. Who the fuck is this? Scared to face me by themselves, they start recruiting shit. I call them pussy to
You see, remember what you said at the beginning? You were
What?
like this verse, this beat, without it, when
It could have been a
Fendi
cappella.
It could have been a cappella.
Yeah.
But with Cardi B, it can't.
Yeah, it sounds
Like,
more like a song.
Yeah, she's writing this beat.
Because the first half of the thing was sounded more like a freestyle. type
Like
of
she's
thing.
complimenting it. Jesus Christ.
many bitches in my city, think they doing shit. Too many ops that I don't know, bitch. Who the fuck is this? Scared to face me by themselves, they start recruiting shit. I call them pussy to their face, they don't be doing shit. And I'm ready with receipts, I be proving shit. I blow 50 racks in Target on some stupid shit. Bitches out here must be slow, they out here losing it. I'm like a whole bitch, I'm on go, I don't care who it is.
He off a pill, niggas ill. Is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets. Do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they rap. Should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap. Should we give him deals? What? He off a pill, niggas ill. Is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets. Do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they rap. Should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap. Should we give him deals? Oh.
I would have never thought in my life growing up as a young boy, looking at girls like one day they're gonna be in front of the camera like, no one comes. Like, I would have never thought this thing would happen. I would have never thought. Like, girls are gonna rap about shooting people.
Like you could be a girl and you have like 15 bodies or you have 15 bodies. You've killed like 15 niggas.
Yeah.
I still don't find you dangerous.
Me too.
I still don't find you dangerous. I'm sorry. I still don't.
You can bring your gun, it's fine. But me, with this, with this, I will break your jaw, I swear. I will break your jaw.
For them. I don't know what the fuck going on. It's a throw. What?
But yeah, that was the end of the video.
Shout out Cardi B.
Cardi B is just
Yeah.
Cardi B. You're amazing.
She's good.
You're amazing. And dude, like yeah, Cardi B is amazing.
I think she
just
still
gets
has a lot of potential. Like she can still explore more and do way more.
She can do way more in TV or movies. I
Even
think,
musically, like
Yeah.
sounds wise, and I think she can. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not really excited about a new Cardi B album, but it's like, dog, she has that unique.
She has the star quality, so
She
to
has
speak.
she has that unique charisma that you just want her
People
to get
gravitate
it.
towards
Yeah,
that
you just want her to get it. You
personality.
just want her to get it. So yeah, that was Fendi the Rapper. Point me to with Cardi B.
Don't forget to like, get in, subscribe.
That's how it sounds.
I don't know. Well, if you have a laptop, and suggest any video you'd like us to react to. send any suggestions, likes, money. We love money. So we can grow this channel, you know, maybe we can get a bigger studio, you know, stuff like that.
Yeah, this
let's-
nigga's room
let's-
is starting to get a bit crampy.
Yes. We host Izakamuzi. Sharp.